Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set your videos to play back at a lower resolution to save network bandwidth on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the apps tile and then select video playback on the left panel. On the right side, you want to locate something that says I prefer video to play at a lower resolution. Go ahead and check mark inside of there. And then once you've done that, you should be able to go about saving some bandwidth basically. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.